is fertilizer like rocket fuel? One way is that both of these contain perchlorate. As an undergraduate researcher studying how perchlorate affects plants, I have been able to observe the possible risks and benefits perchlorate has to humanity. It is essential to understand what perchlorate is, where it originates, how it moves, and how to reduce and remove perchlorate wherever possible due to its poisonous effects on humans and the environment. So what is perchlorate? Ooh, that's too fast. Perchlorate is a negatively charged group of 1 chlorine molecule and 4 oxygen molecules. Perchlorate does not readily bond with other molecules and elements, which means it likes to persist in this ionic form. It is highly soluble, so it dissolves very quickly in water. This combination of it liking to stay in its ionic form and dissolving quickly means it moves very quickly through soil-water systems. Why is this easy movement a problem? In plants, perchlorate is taken up via the roots, whether that is direct contact with the perchlorate ion to the roots or the water that the plant takes up. Perchlorate is highly toxic. In Oz et al.'s 2021 study, Perchlorate in Agriculture on Mars, they demonstrated that perchlorate slows germination and reduces plant growth, meaning the overall leaf area and biomass. As you can see in this picture, with no perchlorate, the plants grow very well. With a little bit more perchlorate, this is a 0.5% concentration. There is less plant growth, and then with a 1% perchlorate concentration, there is even less. If perchlorate is consumed, according to the Environmental Protection Agency's 2022 Perchlorate in Drinking Water Frequent Questions article, perchlorate reduces vital hormone production that is necessary to provide energy and sustain life. It also stunts brain development in fetuses and in infants. Perchlorate affects others differently. Women and those ages 0 to 25 are most at risk, with those particularly those below the age of 5 and pregnant women. Thankfully, low doses are not particularly harmful. Perchlorate moves through the body very quickly. However, frequent high doses are incredibly harmful. So how does perchlorate accumulate and where? So perchlorate is found globally. This includes the US, Canada, Japan, Korea, Chile, all over the world. It is a component of rocket fuel, which means that it is frequently found near defense sites, military sites. From these places, it will contaminate natural water supplies, so that includes the Colorado River here in the United States. It naturally occurs in certain soils. So Calderon et al.'s 2017 study, a review of perchlorate occurrence in fruits and vegetables, fertilizers created from these soils, such as Chilean nitrogen fertilizer, moves perchlorates into foods such as fruits and vegetables. From these fruits and vegetables, perchlorate will move into your body. Additionally, perchlorate has been universally found in dangerous levels on Mars, the planet that is often considered to be the next step for humanity. To protect humanity, we must be able to remove and reduce perchlorate wherever possible. How can we do this? As observed by Tipton et al. In their 2003 study, Transport and Biodegradation of Perchlorate in Soils, perchlorate readily biodegrades given anaerobic conditions, sufficient carbon supply, and a large enough population of perchlorate-reducing microorganisms. Catalysts can also be used to speed up or force this decomposition process, like the molybdenum catalyst created by Wren et al. In their 2021 publication, A Bio-Inspired Molybdenum Catalyst for Aqueous Perchlorate Reduction. Additionally, exchanging positively and negatively charged particles, or ions, will force the perchlorate to bond with other elements and molecules effectively changing its entire chemical structure. In review, perchlorate is a negative ion that is highly toxic, particularly in large doses. It is found globally in drinking water and in most fruits and vegetables, as well as on Mars. Perchlorate can be reduced via biological and chemical means, allowing us to provide a safe future for humanity on this small blue dot and among